The photography game is changing in 2025, and if you want to stay ahead, you need the best gear. From professional full-frame beasts to retro-style compact hybrids, we're breaking down the ultimate models that deliver unparalleled image quality, lightning-fast autofocus, and jaw-dropping video capabilities. Kicking things off with one of the most powerful hybrid cameras ever created, the Nikon Z8. This full-frame, mirrorless powerhouse combines high-resolution stills with 8K cinematic video capabilities, making it the ultimate tool for professionals and hybrid shooters. With next-gen autofocus tracking and superior dynamic range, the Z8 delivers exceptional clarity and speed, whether you're capturing action shots or studio portraits. It stands out for its insane video features, offering internal RAW recording and advanced image processing that rivals dedicated cinema cameras. If you want uncompromised imaging power for photography and video, the Nikon Z8 is your go-to professional hybrid camera. Ready to upgrade your setup? Check the description for full details. For photographers demanding unmatched resolution, the Sony A7R V raises the bar. With its stunning 61 megapixel full-frame sensor, this camera captures incredible detail with breathtaking sharpness, making it perfect for landscapes, portraits, and fine art photography. The AI-powered autofocus system ensures precision tracking, recognizing faces, eyes, animals, and even vehicles with near-perfect accuracy. And for filmmakers, 4K 60 FPS recording plus real-time subject recognition makes it a powerhouse for the hybrid shooters. If you're looking for high-resolution excellence with AI-driven precision, the Sony A7R V delivers beyond expectations. Want to capture every detail? Check the description for full specs. Need speed, portability, and versatility? The Canon EOS R7 is a compact APS-C hybrid camera that balances lightweight design with serious imaging power. Its 32.5 megapixel sensor, 4K video recording with enhanced stabilization, and fast autofocus system make it perfect for sports, action photography, and vlogging. The compact form factor means you can take it anywhere, making it a great choice for on-the-go creators who need speed, quality, and convenience. If you're looking for a powerful yet compact mirrorless camera, the Canon EOS R7 stands out in the competitive creator market. Need a camera built for action and vlogging? Check the description for full details. For photographers pushing resolution and speed to the limits, the Sony A7R IV remains one of the most advanced full-frame mirrorless cameras available. With a monstrous 61 megapixel sensor capable of 10 frames per second continuous shooting, this camera captures breathtaking detail while handling high-speed action flawlessly. Its exceptional dynamic range, sharp image clarity, and advanced autofocus make it a top choice for professionals working in high-end photography. If you're a studio photographer, landscape shooter, or commercial artist, the Sony A7R IV offers world-class resolution and speed. Want a high-speed, high-resolution powerhouse? Click the description link. Finally, for those who love retro design with modern tech, the Nikon Z delivers style, portability, and powerful imaging. Inspired by classic Nikon cameras, the Z blends vintage aesthetics with a compact mirrorless body, making it a perfect choice for street photography and travel. With a wide-angle 16 to 50mm zoom lens included, this setup provides versatile shooting options without compromising quality. If you're looking for a stylish, travel-ready camera that doesn't sacrifice performance, the Nikon Z is one of the most unique choices in 2025. Love retro vibes with modern imaging tech? Check the description for full specs. Photography in 2025 is all about speed, precision, and stunning resolution, and these top cameras deliver game-changing imaging power for every type of creator. Which camera matches your style? Drop a comment below, hit the like button, And don't forget to subscribe for more photography insights.